You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this scientific name. If you want to learn more names from anatomy, medical terms too, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. This is the name of a condition. English pronunciation, spina. In Latin, it would be spina, Latin pronunciation, but we're talking English pronunciation here. Spina bifida, bifida. How to pronounce in English, spina bifida. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.